Hi, Professor and TAs. Our project name is CardioBuddy, and our team is Team New. And my name is Nyan.
My name is Fee.
Hi, my name is Bang.
There are a lot of runners who want to have a running buddy so that they can be motivated and consistent with their exercise. However, each runner has a different running route, speed, and schedule, and it is difficult to find a person who fits all of those criteria. So on our platform, we solve the problem by letting users find others who have similar routes.
So every users need an account to store their data and match with other users. So this is the sign up form where new users will be redirected to, and they will input their email, username, password to create a new account. If you already registered user, there's a login button at the end of the page.
And I've had logged in. So the first thing that happens when a user logs in is that they're prompted to create a route, basically to enter their usual running route. So we'll create a route by entering addresses as pinpoints on the route. So I'll first start by entering the first pinpoint. So I usually start my run at 1 East Pleasant Street in downtown Amherst. So I'm going to enter that and click add point, and the address will yet match to the closest actual address in real world. And I'll enter another address. I usually run to residential apartments, so I'll put 915 North Pleasant Street. And I'll put in an address from UMass, so UMass Amherst here. So I usually run on Monday, Tuesday, and Sunday. And I usually start at 10, let's say 10:30 a.m. and I'll choose that as my time, and I'll also choose the speed. And I'll hit create route, and it pops up a notification that says I've successfully added a new route. And I'm redirected to the home page.
In our homepage, user can see all of the suggestions of other users who jog along the similar route. As you can see, for each user, we display their username, their jogging schedule, the route address, along with a map with pinpoints of the routes. Below, we also have the current user's basic information and the map of their route displayed.
And for each suggestion, you can hit you can choose either you like them, you want to run with them or not by hitting like or no. So as you can see here, I'm hitting like on all these people because they're running on the same route as me. And also down here, we have a panel that displays the current users running route and their route information, like their speed, their dates, and their time, and also another map that we use to render to help users to visualize their running path more efficiently. So
this is the page where you can see all the matches that people have matched with you. On the left column is their pinpoints, their routes. On the right, their speed, their time, and their dates. Users all have the options to remove the match with that already connected users. As you see, when removing that match, the current matches disappear. And
okay,
yeah, that's okay.
So,
that's all for the user.
Okay, so now we'll move on to another feature that is called the profile page, and we will talk about it.
So in our profile page, we have current users' basic information, including username, email, and description. We actually can edit our description and add in some description. For our page, for the profile image, it is a random image that is generated using the usernames and being hashed to call with the API.
And once you have edited your information, you can save it, and your information will be updated. And we'll move on to another thing, which is called the edit route panel. So this is where you can update your route. So basically, if you decided you don't want to run on this route anymore, and you don't want to find buddies on this route anymore, you can create a new route. You can do the same thing as you do for route creation. And so basically just adding pinpoint and adding the dates, pick a time, and then you can choose the speed, and your route will be updated. And as you can see here, in the home page, this will display your new route instead of the old one. And so our targeted users are people who would like to find buddies, would like to find friends and groups to go run together and to exercise together. And some of the aspects that we found most interesting with our app. So firstly, I think that the map visualization is something really interesting because you can actually see on the screen here, on the map, we have different pinpoints that help users to visualize the running route. And our suggestion is something that I think is really cool too, because you can hit like on a user, and if two users like each other, they can match. And also for the route panel, I think that the feature that allows for address auto completion is really cool because it can verify the address. So a few things that our team found that was easy. So we think that building the wireframe, the front end for the app wasn't really difficult, but some of the things that we found were challenging were more advanced MongoDB queries, Express app configuration, routing. I think that there are a lot that that needed to be known beforehand before starting a project. And regarding this app in the future, some of the things that we would want to do on the app is to firstly create a chatting functions for people who connected to be able to chat with each other, to be able to talk with each other live on the app. Currently, people who match together get access to each other's contact information, like their name and email, and they will then have to reach out to in order to connect. And some other things that we would like to do is that to create a dynamic map that allows users to perform features like drag and drops to edit the route and edit their pinpoints and stuff like that. And I think that's it from us. I hope you have a good day.